Hello everyone, there's a strong issue in the market. Today over 100 million beginner investors are entering the market globally, but 80% lose money within the first year. Why? Because there is no single easy to use platform that offers real-time market analysis, AI-driven insights, and a safe place to learn by doing. Most tools are built for pros, they are complex, overwhelming, and like real-time intelligence. There's the burning gap, and our deploy project Neurotica fills it. We have built an Tavily plus Groq API powered investment platform designed with the following features. Kaushal.
So guys, there is a mapboard feature through which any user can come in and track any particular country's stock market data. So currently we are tracking the United States market data. Here we can see the market report, which is Tavily-Powered. Here we can see India's stock market data and also various countries' stock market data. We can also see financial news of those particular countries. Secondly, we have the trading dashboard. The trading dashboard is powered by the Alpaca API. The Alpaca API is a paper trading platform through which any user can simulate the entire paper trading. There is a Tavily screener through which anyone can get comprehensive analysis of the stock they have chosen here. We have chosen the Apple stocks. So we have a proper analysis of Apple powered by the Tavily. The news is captured, a proper summarization is done through the Groq API, and we also get citations so that the user himself can read it. We have buy and sell options for here. We can see all the stocks we have purchased, and we can properly get the watch list too. We have the stock compare page. If any user is confused which stock he needs to buy, he can get in the stock compare page. Here we get the proper visualization analysis, we get the technical analysis, we get the latest news of those particular stocks, and get a buy recommendation, which is summarized version of the Groq API. Next is Yash.
So for the research part, we have integrated Tavily plus Groq API key, and for the future prediction prompt like predict the Apple stocks with the analysis of the news, it gives the current market position, like for example the June market position, and the future predictions like the first half of the 2026 and the second half of the 2026 with the key points, summary, recommendations, and the sources. So for the Telegram bot, Kaushal.
So here, if we have to properly analyze which particular stock we have to buy, we can place buy and sell orders here. We can set alerts. We can set chat commands through which a particular chat will be sent to the Tavily API and a Groq API. The Groq API will get the summarized version of the Tavily API search function. Lastly, we have the chatbot function.
So for the chatbot function, with the which is powered by the CopilotKit, with the natural language prompt, we can place the stock buying and selling. For example, we want to buy the 5 shares of Apple or 10 shares of Apple. The orders gets placed, and we can see it in the recent order section on the topmost part. For the business model part, we will be having this project not for just the hackathon, but also as a future startup ideation by the integration of local investment radar and live trading platform. For the monetization part, we'll be having free plan, premium plan, and pro trader plan with the upgrade of analysis and the trading platform. So hope you like the product, and we will be seeking feedback from you soon. Thank you.